Hey Adam, did you have house training this evening?
I thought it's raining.
Let me check my weather forecast app. Oh no, it is raining this evening.
I wonder how they collect data to check the future's weather.
It's actually not that easy, Adam. The satellite need to have a specific task, which is to calculate the wind speed, the humidity level, and much more.
Wow, that is so interesting. But isn't satellite so expensive these days?
Yes, I have to agree with you with that. Satellite is very expensive and it's so unfortunate that we cannot build our own.
Who said that satellites needed to be expensive? Have you ever heard of a CanSat?
Who are you? And what's a cancer?
My name's Anas, and this is a CanSat. I mean, well, it could be a CanSat. A CanSat is a small type of satellite, usually the size of a can, hence the term CanSat. So a CanSat can be considered as a picosatellite, which basically means that its weight is less than 1 kg. And usually in real life, picosatellites function together. And the wonderful thing is that they can perform the same missions as a normal satellite. So one of the benefits of that is that it takes a short time to develop, and usually it's low cost.
Our satellite consists of three main structures. First, the external structure, the core structure, and the payload. Our satellite will be sent into the stratosphere and will collect data such as the air pressure and temperature. Those data will be converted from electric signal to radio wave that will be transmitted by our antenna on the satellite. And then it will be received by our receiver here on Earth.
Hello there. So, our core structure is made using polypropylene material. We cut off the top layer to make it more accessible to use the module. Next, the exterior structure is made using aluminum tin can, and its function is to protect the module and the core structure. Imagine all of this is like the human body. The module acts as our brain, and the core structure is like our skeleton to support the body. Lastly, the exterior structure is our skin.
For our thermal system, we're using the space blanket. Why we're using the space blanket? It is because it can act as a heat deflector and will avoid the system from overheating or freezing. And for why we're using this such a material, because from our research, many other satellites also uses this type of material to avoid the same issue.
After turning on the module for a while, the temperature was recorded to be stable. Next, we measured the weight of the CanSat by putting it on a triple beam balance. It measured less than 300 grams at around 270 grams. Assalamualaikum. We from Voyager X hope that through this competition, students will be encouraged to venture into the world of astronomy.
We would be very grateful if our team would be chosen for the round 3. and seeing the launching ceremony of MESAT 3B will be a dream come true for us.
And finally, we really appreciate the opportunity given by the people over at Miasat and Upper Dilangit. Thank you.